Alrighty, it is 6/12/23. We are back again, looking at the charts. Alright, so what we wanted to see was price coming to run this high, and as you see, it wicked just above it, fell down, right, came back, and then we continued up ever since on the 4-hour. So we're going to go ahead and anchor at the 1 hour. We're going to start over. This price action just really doesn't look that good. So let's go to the euro instead. We wanted to see it come down. Looks like it continued up. And if we look left, it looks like we could be not in this context. This could be a recumulation to continue high, right? Bam, up, up. But we want to see something very clear for that. Lows, 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 break up, right? Come up one more time. All right, we still want to see something in here. Yeah. Yep. I mean, ultimately, we want to see if this is going to make a strong body close. If not, we definitely want to see price mitigated about 50% of that, continued up, mitigated the open, continued up. So like that. Break up. I mean, on this lower right here, right? We see this break, see another break. Pretty much like that, which is what we had previously. So if we wanted to see it continue down, looks like we might potentially already be in that move. Alright, so we have this, we broke down. Where did this break come from? Somewhere in here. Looks like 50% of that isn't mitigated. Right, like right here. But we're gonna look on the short side today. Get my alert set up. All right. There's actually a supply zone. There we go. We're just gonna wait. Let's look at gold. Looks almost the same. Got the daily, right? We still didn't run these all-time highs. Came close, but not close enough. But then look, we had this. When we tried to do it this last time, right, we came close, we fell off, right? We didn't run it still. We could potentially see it fall off. Right, if we're looking at intermediate candlestick structure, looking at these breaks, right, followed by breaks, followed by another breaks, followed by a fall or drop off. So we might be, the trend might be bearish. Right, maybe see it come back up here. Yeah, falling off. We could see it run these highs to come back up in here to mitigate to finally fall off again. This looks like lows breaking lows and then one more low to be broken, but ultimately right now we're really in this range here. Right, fell off. Could argue that. Boom, boom, fell off. I'd say like that. Something like that. So we want to see one of those break before we start thinking about stuff. So we're going to leave that where it's at. Let's go to Bitcoin. Looks like, looks like we want to move down. It could be a reaccumulation. Let's get higher context. So we saw it drop, finally break up. Right, so I guess on a very, very high time frame, we're looking like that. So we move it into here like so. Right, we'd be looking to mitigate something like that. This is on the weekly. Go down to the daily. I mean, really, if you're looking for a refinement, you're looking at something down in here. So we want to see Bitcoin continue down to this level. So if we're expecting it to come all the way down and fall down into there, then, I mean, our recent low break was here. Where did that come from? Somewhere up in here, came and remet it. Let's go on a little lower. Yeah, I mean, it never broke anything. So right now we're in this range. Yeah. We want to see a clean body break. Clean body close above some of these lines. So we'll leave that there, and we'll call that a day. That's going to be my trade ideas. We're just going to let more volume come into the markets and see what plays out when we get closer to the actual New York Open. Like always, go ahead and hit the like or dislike button, leave a comment, and of course, have a wonderful week, y'all. It's your boy, Trade Like B Phil. I'm gone. Peace.